Hey, so last year I bought a small rooted Shangri La mulberry, and I do this with air quotes, Shangri La mulberry cutting. And, you know, it grew a ton, no berries obviously popped out because it was the first year cutting. This year I'm getting somewhat like, looks like berries, but it looks like there's an issue. So leave me a comment if you can tell me what's wrong. So here it is starting to leaf out. And if you look, you don't have to look that closely to see. Look at the size of these berries. Definitely not Shangri La. It looks almost like a Pakistan, but I'm not really actually sure. But I'm probably about 70% sure it's a Pakistan. But anyway, it was supposed to be Shangri La. Now it's kind of suspicious when the leaves are a little bit smaller because from what I understand, Shangri La leaves are a little bit bigger than this. But I don't know if that's always the case. But anyway, pretty long berries. What I believe to be Pakistan, not Shangri La like I was told. But not a big deal. I'm sure these will be just as good. Probably gonna cut the tips of those. I don't want them to go too high. I like all the berries to be within arm's reach. I love coming out in my garden and just being able to just pick berries and other food and stuff like that. So, Shangri La mulberry. Just kidding. Pakistan.